HP Pavilion X360 14 Unity Systems Solutions. This is the HP Pavilion X360 sleek, stylish, and versatile. Dressed in pale rose gold, this laptop is built to impress in both looks and functionality. You get a 14-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen with edge-to-edge glass. It's multi-touch enabled, has decent brightness at 250 nits, but color accuracy is limited to 45% NTSC, so it's more for casual creators than color pros. The 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1335U with 10 cores and 12 threads. Clocking up to 4.6 GHz, it's snappy enough for multitasking, productivity, and light editing. Paired with 8 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, performance is smooth though the RAM is onboard, so no upgrades. Power adapter 45W Smart AC power adapter. Graphics are handled by Intel Iris Xe, which is fine for light gaming, 1080p video editing, and media consumption. Don't expect AAA gaming here, this is more of a creator's and student's device. Battery life is decent for daily use, expect around 6-8 hours depending on your workflow. It's portable, lightweight, and ready for both laptop and tablet modes thanks to the 360 degrees hinge. When it comes to connectivity, you're well covered. 1 USB-C, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, and even a combo audio jack, all the essentials are here. Plus, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure solid wireless performance. The backlit keyboard looks premium and feels good for long typing sessions. You also get a fingerprint reader for faster logins, a nice touch for security and ease. HP True Vision 5MP camera with temporal noise reduction.